Everyone, this is Madhu. Today my video is going to be in English because the video is about weight loss recipe powder. I hope my Telugu subscribers will understand and support me. And now we are in my garden because the climate is very pleasant and sunny. So I'm going to shoot the video here. You can see the beautiful pink hibiscus flowers. Let's see the ingredients to prepare the weight loss powder. This is the ginger. I usually store ginger in this box. It's a perforated box so that the air can be gone through it easily. It's made up of palm tree leaves. So the ginger can be stored for a very long time, like at least 2 to 3 months without spoiling. And now let's see the ingredients necessary to prepare the weight loss powder. We need a black pepper powder, which is called Miriyalu in Telugu, and we need Zeera or cumin powder, Jeelakarra in Telugu, and we need cinnamon powder, Dalchin Chekka. We need turmeric. From the turmeric root, we call it as Pasupu in Telugu. We need ginger powder, dry ginger powder, we call it as Allam, and we need 5 green tea bags powder. And the most important one is the flax seeds powder, which I don't have it right now with me, but you guys should include that because it is one of the main ingredient in preparation of weight loss recipe. So let's see how to make this weight loss powder. I have grounded all the ingredients into a fine powdered form. Here 4 tablespoons of turmeric powder I have grounded, and we have to take this into a container. And the next one is 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, that is Zeera or Jeelakarra in Telugu. And the other one is 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder, Dalchini Chekka, and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. I have measured all these ingredients before, and now let us take 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder, and the last one is 5 tablespoons of green tea powder. You need to add 1 tablespoon of flaxseed powder also. Right now I don't have that ingredient, which is called Avisa Ginjalu in Telugu. So we need to mix thoroughly all these ingredients. We have to mix thoroughly so that all the ingredients are mixed properly, and you need to cover with a lid. So you can store this weight loss powder in this kind of airtight container for further use. Let's see what these ingredients do to our body. The turmeric, which is called Pasupu in Telugu, helps to manage weight and prevents fat accumulation. The cumin powder or Jeelakarra, it lowers our BMI and reduces the bad cholesterol. Flaxseed powder, which we did not add today, has omega-3 acids and 6 fatty acids. These are rich in proteins and helps to lose weight faster. The cinnamon powder or Dalchina Chekka regulates blood sugar levels and reduces the bad cholesterol. The pepper powder, it absorbs all the benefits of turmeric and also suppresses our appetite. Dry ginger powder, it improves the metabolism and helps in obesity. And the last but not least is the green tea powder, which helps in weight loss and flattens the tummy. So these are the ingredients we added today in this weight loss powder recipe. How to prepare this? Take a half a tablespoon of the powder and put it in a glass or a tumbler. Now take the warm water and pour it to a certain level. Did you see the color? It's awesome. The cinnamon also helps to maintain the taste of this recipe, and stir it thoroughly so that all the ingredients are mixed well, and leave the water for 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes our weight loss water is ready to consume. This water should not be strained or filtered. This water should be taken twice a day. After 30 minutes after lunch and 30 minutes after dinner, we have to take this water. We have to take this water at least 15 days in a month to get considerable results. If you want to lose weight faster, you need to include low calorie food and fiber intake, more fiber intake. So you can see the results very quickly. All kinds of people can take this water, including thyroid patients, PCOS, PCOD patients, and also the diabetic patients. And this water should be avoided by pregnant women and people having bleeding disorders and issues with gallbladder. So this is 100% effective and natural. If you like my video and if you find this information informative and useful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Give it a try.